Well, as Monty Python would say, and now for something completely different. Oliver Sloup was just talking with me during the break. Let's take a look at the silver market. And here in the silver, big move. We have January 51 cents higher at 26.47. Oliver, you said that was a wild mover overnight.
A huge mover over $2, and for each silver contract is 5,000 ounces. So a 250 range is equivalent to about $12,500 trading range. So a lot of action in the metals, and I think a lot of that just kind of going with the currency trade in the overnight session. The short dollar has been a trade that a lot of people have been pounding for the last several months, getting a little bit of a recovery, relief rally today. We'll see if that continues, because if the dollar does find a little bit of relief here, that could spill over into a lot of commodities, including the agricultural sector.
On the live cattle board here, things seem to be kind of stabilizing a little bit after opening up fairly sharply lower. We have February now 17 lower at 114.67. April down just a dime now. And on the feeder cattle market, well, we have January 30 lower, but all the other months have turned higher. March is up 7 cents at 142.37. And on the lean hogs, well, our quotes provided by bar chart here on the hog trade, we currently have that February contract 7 lower at 65.72. You see much happening in this market today?
Well, we've had pretty good action in this market as well. About $1.30 off the lows in this February live cattle market, which is encouraging. Friday's cattle on feed report was about as neutral as it can get, basically right in line with expectations. But encouraging to see the market come off the lows. With the outside markets under significant pressure, we would have thought that would keep a little bit more of a lid on this market to start the week. But coming off the lows and testing kind of the top end of the recent range near 115, if we can get out above there, potentially there's a little bit more room to work higher, but I think all in all, if you zoom out a little bit, we think that the expectation should be probably tempered here, at least in the very near term as we look towards the end of the year. So for hedgers and speculators up at the top end of the range near 115, we're looking to be sellers here near term.
Sounds good. Thank you, Oliver. I appreciate it. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures. Janet, back to you.